Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a working gate in your own world. So as you can see, here's the gate. This switch allows the gate to go up, and then it allows it to go down. And over here, we have a power source, so I just turn the power source off. So now that doesn't work. If I were to turn this back on, there we go, and it works. So I'm going to show you how to set that up. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to type in gen, and then you'll get BP gasoline generator and BP general switch. So you want to choose between one of the two. So it's exactly the same either way. So I'm going to do the generator, but you can do the general switch if you want. So we'll just drag that and we'll put it over here. Got to line up with the ground. And there you go. And now what you want to do is, if you want something to be a power source, what you have to do is under electrical component, you have to make sure that generator is always switched. Because if I were to click that, then this will no longer produce power. So this has to be switched in order for it to work. Now what you need is another switch. So if you type in, or not another one, you need a switch. So type in switcher. Switch. God, I don't know how to type apparently. So if you type in switcher, you'll get these. So you can choose from these from this. God, the painting to the first one, the camera room. So I'm gonna do this one. It doesn't matter which switch you use; they're all the same. And we'll just put it upright. Now we need the actual gate. So then the gate is called platform door. So what you're gonna type in is platfo. And then right here, BP platform door, drag it in, and now it's time for the wiring. So what we need to do, click on your switch and see, okay, it's called BP switcher 3. Or for me, it's called BP switcher 3. For you, it might be called something different depending on which switch you used. So now we have to go into electrical component, connect to, click plus, click on none, and then click on your generator, or if you did the switch, if you did the house switch, then you have to do the switcher. So just select the name of your generator or your power source, and then click on the gate, and then go to connect to, and then you're going to connect it to your switcher. And you want to make sure that the switcher is set to off. So if you click on the switcher again, go under tumbler, go to state, and make sure that that's turned off. And there you go. Now you have a working gate in your own world. So as you can see, it moves the gate. And if I were to turn that off, doesn't do anything. But the second I turn it back on, it works. So that's it for today's video. Or that's it for this tutorial. If you need help with any other things, go check on some of my other videos. I'll probably have it. Next video, I'm going to show you guys how to add the neighbor into your mod. So, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Good